Hi, welcome back to Serene Living Tip of the Day. I'm Georgiana at Holistic Life Hub. Today I will present for you something which is very easy to use and has almost instant results, the art of aromatherapy. There are many essential oils which have anti-stress properties, calming, serene properties. For example, lavender is very well known, but also sandalwood, rose, frankincense. There are many more than these ones. Some words of advice before I tell you how to use them. When you make use of essential oils, make sure that the oils you use are 100% natural. Because to my surprise, from a certain point of view, I believe that everybody is doing their best. So when I was entering a health shop, I saw some essential oils, and on the front label it was written 100% natural. But because I always double check, I turned the bottle, and on the back label it was written clearly that it was made out of chemicals. So make sure that even if the label says 100% natural, it is made out of natural substances, herbs, flowers, seeds. And if you think a bit, it is amazing because in a small bottle, you have concentrated the essence of a plant, the essence of a herb, the essence of a flower. So in a bottle small like this, you have actually kilos of the herb or the flower that this essential oil represents, and therefore they are very potent. So what you can do in order to just calm yourself and help yourself achieve a state of tranquility, serenity, because this is the main theme for these 2 weeks of life. It is, for example, if you have lavender essential oil, you can simply at night put 1 drop of oil on each corner of your pillow, and you will have a very simple and unusual manner of doing aromatherapy like that. You will inhale the frequency and it will help you calm down. And also, probably you've noticed, we always associate, for example, different odors, different smells, different frequencies with situations and states that we have experienced previously in our life. So if you will do this on a regular basis, you will build up also the memory of a serene state. So whenever you will feel the frequency of lavender, you will enter into the state of tranquility or serenity almost automatically, because your subconscious mind is already charged and with this association, lavender, calmness. And also, as a practical aspect, I do not recommend that you use aroma lamps, because when you put a candle underneath the holder with the water and essential oil, this heat will actually burn the oil. So you will have the fragrance, but you will not have the properties of the oil, because you simply destroyed it by the heat. So the easiest manner to use essential oils as a therapy, as an aromatherapy, a spray bottle, water, a few drops of that oil, and you simply spray into the room, and you will have the fragrance, which is every essential oil has its specific properties, and for that you'll have to study more. I will not cover it here. So in that manner you will do aromatherapy at home with something which is very simple: water, a few drops of oil. For example, in this one I have tea tree. Because of the virus we are facing in these times, tea tree is one of the strongest antiviral essential oils, and it's a very potent disinfectant. So I use it after I wash my hands. I spray my hands with this mixture of water and tea tree oil, and simply it is my disinfectant. But I also do something else. I just puff 1 or 2 times in my throat, and then it also protects me from eventually inhaling the virus in an unconscious manner. So this is a very simple tip how you can make use of the art of aromatherapy at home with very little means. So please buy essential oils which are 100% natural, and don't put them in an aroma lamp because you'll burn them, so you'll not have the properties left, you'll only have the smell of it. And with this, I wish you a serene Sunday. I will see you tomorrow for another serene living tip of the day. Bye for now. Subscribe and get access to all the training videos, those already published and the ones on their way. I wish you a wonderful day.